Well, here we are together. So, I was wondering if that was at the end of the other video, but now I'm just going to start this video. Hold on. Having some of my iced coffee there. I did place an order, and you'll see in the title, for a new product I'm going to try, and it came with this wonderful, I love this, pouch. And the reason I love this so much, I mean, this could go in your purse so easy because it's see-through. These are heavy, and I don't want them to really pull too hard on this, but this could so go in your purse to where you put your makeup items and stuff like that in here, and like your eyeliner and lips, all the kind of elongated things like pens, stuff like that can go in this little one. So I really love this bag, and I'm going to use it for different than, but this is what all came together. The product's name is Tyme, T-Y-M-E. This is rose gold, so it's very, very pretty. And it's to try to save my hair, is what this product is all about. It's trying to save my little hairs. And I looked at several of the different products and thought, oh, you know what, I would like to try that. And then I thought, oh, I'd like to try that. And then I saw that they had a kit, like kind of a collected of all the goodies kit. And I thought, you know what, just order the kit, because you're going to order like 3 out of 5. Go ahead and get 5 out of 5. This is the most unusual material. I mean, it's plastic, but it's just weird. But seriously, this would be great for travel, y'all, with the big pouch on the back and the little pouch on the front. I mean, you could put all kinds of toiletries in here, and then there's just so much you could do with this. You could put like your Q-tips and your tissues and all. There's just so much you could do with this. I really like this a lot. I'm going to take the little plastic cover off the little pretty rose gold. It's very, very pretty. I don't know if y'all can see up close, but it's very, very pretty hardware. With the little rose gold and little, I guess that's their little emblem. But I really like this a lot. There's the logo. And what's wrong with that? It must have a plastic cover too, because I'm like, that looks really gross. But it's because it's just plastic. Now it's really shiny and pretty. See how pretty the shiny it is? Are y'all like, Beth, move on? Okay. Okay, so first and foremost, I got the shampoo and conditioner. It's called Shower Off and Pre-Game, which is the shampoo, and Shower Off, which is the conditioner. And again, these are lovely. I mean, just look at the packaging alone. I'd get this for the packaging just so my bathroom would be pretty. But anyway, they're also squirt tops, which I love, and they're the big wide ones, so you can do it one-handed. And I just think it's so pretty. I also like that one has the rose gold on the top and one has the rose gold on the bottom, so that you just always know that the conditioner is the one that has it on the bottom. So start at the top with shampoo and finish at the bottom with conditioner. It's just easy, you know, quick and easy when you're in the shower. Then they had the thermal protectant for when you're, you know, styling your hair with hair dryer and curling irons and all that kind of stuff. Always remember when you use this stuff to shake it up good, because it's been sitting in a warehouse somewhere. So always right before you use it, even when it's been just sitting in your house, always give it a good shake. But it says thermal protectant, and that was one of the things I was going to buy. And then the other thing that I was going to buy was this Repair and Shine. And this is, hold on, let me see if you put it on before or after. Overall feel and appearance, stylized hair. Yeah, this is for after. So again, I was like, I think I want to get that. And then this was the Root Lift powder. So this is like a dry shampoo. But I just felt like, okay, it comes with it, because I wanted the shampoo and conditioner. I wanted to try the protectant, and I wanted to try the Repair and Shine. And then it also came with this Root Lift powder, which basically that's what your dry powders do. And I've noticed that because, as y'all know, I use the Madison Reed powder on my part line, and then I started using it a little through here because I'm thinning, and when your scalp is bright white and it sheds through your hair, it's very noticeable. So I started using it. I think it's called light brown is my color for the root base. It just makes it look a little less balding or thinning. And I noticed that I started using it on this side, even though it's not as bad over here for some reason, but I started noticing I would get a lift with it. And it's because it's a powder. It's a dry powder, and it just kind of gave me a root lift. And I thought, okay, it comes with it anyway. So I'm really kind of excited about these products. I can't wait to try them. I have about 490,000 shampoo and conditioners. I really don't need any more. However, I'm trying these. And you just never know when you're going to find something. You know, that's why you try new things. Like, I have routines where I use the same thing over and over and over and over because they are just, you know, people call them your ride or die, or, you know, they're just your favorites. Certainly that's how I feel about my Chanel lipstick. But, you know, I felt that way about my Chanel Inimitable Mascara, and I've tried the new L'Oreal, what is it called? I just had it. Hold on. I dropped it. Anyway, I tried that mascara just to try it, and now I like it better than any mascara I've ever tried anytime. That's the pens. Where did the mascara go, y'all? I don't even know what I did with it. But it's good. Anyway, what was it called? Come on. I need to be able to tell you. Here it is. It's in this bag. Unlimited. So, my point of that is, I wouldn't have even tried that. And yet I did, and so now I love it. So I'm thinking, you know, what if I love this Tyme stuff? I mean, the packaging I love, the formula, everything that I've read about it looks amazing. She gives you all kind of tips. Jacquelinda is her name. Jacquelinda? Am I saying that right? No, Jacinda. Sorry, Jacinda's pro tip. It talks about how these are meant to work as a team. I think all shampoo and conditioners are going to tell you to work as a team. Maybe it's because they're formulated together. Maybe it's because they want you to buy both. But regardless, I want to try this. And if I end up loving it, then I don't buy any more shampoo and conditioner except for this. You just never know. So I'm willing to try it. And then definitely, I'm always willing to try a new heat protectant, because as much styling as we do to our hair, my hair naturally, especially as I've gotten older and hormones, is changed texture. It's gotten more wiry, so now I do more of the ironing, you know, whether it's a curling iron or a flat iron. I definitely use a different dryer. I use the Dyson dryer, which I feel like does dry my hair faster, but it dries it out of any moisture. So I feel like putting this on first helps it. And then also, you know, adding this, the Repair and Shine, would, first of all, help smooth it down. It wouldn't be quite as frizzy, and it's going to feel softer. And it's probably, I don't see what's in it on this particular package. I'm sure you can go look it up. But if it's a Repair and Shine product, it probably has some oils to rehydrate the hair. So, you know, actually that is not a spray. That is a pump. So sorry I said that was a spray. It's a pump. It says spray on styled hair. Is that? Oh, it is a spray. It looks like a little pump. I would, but I got a candle going, so I'm not going to do it right now. So, you know, even after you've styled your hair, then you spray it on. It's going to give some oil. It's going to give some shine. That's why it looks shiny. But it also gives hydration, and that's so important as you age. And then this is the one that I was telling you about. It just gives more grip and volume to your hair because it gives texture to the hair. And you really should use this when your hair is dry. You just lift a section, just like I do with my color. You just lift a section, put some in there, and then you kind of move it around a little bit, and it does. It just kind of lifts it more because it gives it some texture. You know, because you feel like what it's doing is drying it out. That's why I feel like having this together is probably going to be a good combo as well. So I'm really excited about trying this product. I am not, as y'all know, I'm not sponsored. I would tell you guys I'm being sponsored, but I also will tell you this. If I ever come on here and I talk to you about a product, I'm going to have tried it first if I'm sponsoring it, and I won't sponsor if I think it's a terrible product or not good product. If I think it's something that it's an opinion product, meaning I might like it but you may not. It's sort of like with handbags. Some people love really big bags, and other people like little teeny bags, and other people like bowling bag style handle bags. Other people like shoulder straps. That is an opinion item, meaning it's personal. You know, it's just what is your personal preference. And I feel like that's also true about products like this. I feel like that you can try it and love it, or you can try it and hate it, but it might just be because it worked for you, but it may not work for me. I'm going to let you know whether I tried something and I loved it, I tried something and I hate it, or I tried something and it's an opinion item, meaning I liked it, you may not, or I may not like it, but you may love it. And I will always give you my honest opinion even if somebody ever does ask me to sponsor their products. I can tell you when Clover Sack asked me to. I told y'all, I love that thing. It's so easy. Just take it out of one purse and put it in another. It makes my life so fast and easy. People are always asking me, why does your purse always match? Or you change out your purse so often. And that's why. It's super easy. I just literally lift it. I don't have to use the handle kind. It's just you literally pinch it together, pull it up, put it down, done. And occasionally I do go through it and pull out things that I think, okay, you're starting to build up a bunch of extra stuff you don't need. Okay, then maybe I'll do that. But what's another product? I can't remember. Sorry, a little here. I'm trying to think. Y'all know that I'm a huge proponent of using Sigma brushes. I do like It Cosmetics brushes very, very well. You can get those at Ulta, but Sigma beauty brushes I feel like are the best brushes in the world. They were my first nice set, but I also have owned MAC, I've owned Chanel, I've owned NARS, I've owned Morphe. I've owned just about every kind that, you know, has the name, because I went and got it to try it out, and I still always come back. You'll look into this. I have so many of these sitting around in different places in my home. And what are they mostly? They're almost all Sigma. All Sigma. Is that is an It Cosmetics. That's an It Cosmetics. And I think I have one Morphe, and my Chanel one looks like that too, but that's just kind of a flat blush brush. And honestly, I rarely use that one. I like my angled one from Sigma the best. See? So always go back to it. So anyway, I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. Again, if nothing else, I think these are so pretty in the shower. They're just going to look pretty. Like, I'm going to get rid of everything else and just put these in because I like them so much. But also because I want to make myself try these and make sure I give it a fair shot. So anyway, I love you guys, and I'll see you again soon. I'll let you know how it goes. Bye! Bye! I'm always hoping it will cut off at just the right time.